How to install your Perfect Fit Cellular Blind. First, we're going to install our brackets into each corner of the window. Using a credit card as our guide, prop the card in the corner of the window and insert your bracket into the gasket seal. Do this for each corner. Now we can install the blind. Going from top to bottom, clip your frame into the brackets on each corner of the window. The frame may land on the wrong side of the bracket, so gently pull across and clip into place. Double check the operation of the blind. This is a top-down, bottom-up cellular blind, so you can utilise its various positions. And as you can see, the window still opens and closes with the blind attached.